Doho mano mamalo ne ogolo chika mano mar chungu kuom kinde paro mar goyo fuai kanyo derepego mago mabende dhi ataro kod chikego mago ma kata chikego mago mabende tayo apaya e pacho kae. Kane oloso e wach makama, doho ka okalo kuom jang'ad bura Mwamuye ne ochungo NTSA keto nyaka e chop bi winj kendo ng'ad bura maket kodamano. Burano ne ochwal e nyim doho kod riwruok mano mar shirika mtaani. Kinde mago mag riwruogno kanyo mabende oting'o Danstan Omari kaachiel kod Shadrack Wamboi wacho ni okang' mano mar golo chik kata goyo fuai derepe mago mabende dhi ataro kod chike matayo apaya kapok owinje korgi en gino mabende dhi ataro kod chikego mago mathurka.
I'm Tani na Shadrack Wamboi as a litigation lawyer in that organization. So Sheria Mtaani, upon being instructed by members of society, petitioned the High Court sitting at Nairobi, and this morning the High Court was pleased to grant orders in the form of conservatory orders barring the NTSA from implementing the system, rolling it out, or in any manner imposing any fines whatsoever on any Kenyan with regards to the cameras and the systems that they had put up on highways. Reason being that this system was rolled out without consulting the law insofar as the rules that govern automated decision makers are concerned as under the Data Protection Act.
Press. Sheria Mtaani na Shadrack Wamboi is a non-governmental organization that promotes accountability, good public governance, and proper institutional governance. This is a non-governmental organization that purely has the interest of Kenyans at heart, and at this instance, the motorists at heart. Now, we lodged a three-pronged attack on the recently rolled out NTSA instant fine traffic systems, which saw the automation of instant fines. The first ambit, or the first umbrella in which we lodged this petition under, was Article 50 of the Constitution, which demands that every person has the right to a fair hearing and fair administrative action.
Under the laws of this republic, all prosecutorial processes are governed by the Criminal Procedure Code. The Criminal Procedure Code and the Constitution of Kenya mandates only the judiciary to impose fines. NTSA is an arm of the executive power of the state. The state cannot, through NTSA, impose fines. That is making the judiciary lose its mandate under the 2010 Constitution. Free. The mandate to prosecute anybody who has committed a traffic offense is a mandate of the Director of Public Prosecution under Article 157.